Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at how to use Sectigo Certificate Manager. Sectigo is a leading cybersecurity company that specializes in providing a wide range of digital security solutions with a primary focus on SSL or TLS certificates, PKI or Public Key Infrastructure Management, and identity protection for businesses of all sizes. Sectigo aims to help organizations secure their online communications, protect sensitive data, and enhance trust with customers and partners. Key features and offerings of Sectigo. 1. SSL or TLS certificates. Sectigo provides a variety of SSL or TLS certificates that ensure secure, encrypted communications between a website and its visitors. These certificates are essential for protecting data from interception and are also a ranking factor for search engines. Sectigo offers options like domain validated or DV, organization validated or OV, and extended validation or EV certificates, each providing different levels of trust and validation. 2. PKI or Public Key Infrastructure Solutions. Sectigo offers a comprehensive PKI solution to manage and secure digital identities, including encryption keys, certificates, and authentication credentials across an organization. This includes tools for managing the full lifecycle of digital certificates, from issuance to renewal, revocation, and reporting. 3. Code signing. Sectigo's code signing certificates allow developers and software vendors to digitally sign applications and code. This ensures that software is authentic, has not been tampered with, and is safe for users to download and install. Code signing adds a layer of security and trust, reducing the chances of malware attacks or false positives in antivirus software. Why choose Sectigo? Trusted Authority. Sectigo is one of the largest certificate authorities or CAs globally, trusted by millions of websites and enterprises. Comprehensive solutions. From SSL certificates to email security and identity management, Sectigo provides a complete suite of tools to enhance digital security. Scalability. Whether you are a small business or a large enterprise, Sectigo's solutions scale to meet your needs. Customer support. Sectigo offers 24/7 customer support, ensuring that businesses receive assistance whenever needed. If you are going to go back at the top, there are some options here. 1. Shop. This section allows customers to browse and purchase Sectigo's products, such as SSL certificates, code signing certificates, and other security solutions. Number 2. Enterprise. This option is tailored for larger businesses, offering advanced security solutions, custom pricing, and enterprise level support for managing security at scale. 3. Partners. For companies or resellers looking to offer Sectigo's products to their customers. This section provides information on how to become a Sectigo partner with benefits and resources for partners. 4. Resources. A collection of helpful content such as guides, white papers, case studies, and facts to help customers understand and implement Sectigo's security solutions. 5. Company. This section includes information about Sectigo as a company, including its history, leadership, mission, and contact details. In order for us to explore more on the website itself, make sure to click Free Trial, then put all the information needed in here, and if you are done, click Continue. Once setup is complete, they will say, "Thank you for filling in this form. You will receive a welcome email shortly. Make sure to check your email from time to time." This time, let us add a new certificate. 1. Navigate to the dashboard. After logging in, you will be directed to the Certificate Manager dashboard. 2. Click Add New Certificate. On the dashboard, click the Add New Certificate button to begin the certificate request process. 3. Select certificate type. You'll be prompted to choose the certificate type you need: SSL or TLS certificate, code signing certificate, S or MIME certificate. 4. Fill in certificate details. Provide the necessary details for the certificate: domain name for SSL or TLS certificates, organization information for organizational validation certificates, CSR or certificate signing request. If required, input or upload your CSR. 1. Choose validation method. Email validation. Sectigo will send a validation email to a specific email address on the domain. Example, admin@domain.com. DNS validation. You will need to create a DNS record to verify ownership. HTTP validation. Upload a file to your website to verify domain ownership. 2. Complete validation. Follow the instructions sent to your email or through DNS or HTTP to complete the validation process. 1. Review details. Double-check all certificate details to ensure accuracy. 2. Click Issue. Once validated, click the Issue button. Sectigo will generate and issue the SSL or TLS certificate. 3. Download the certificate. After the certificate is issued, you can download it from the Certificate Manager under the Issued Certificates section. 1. Access the Certificates tab. Go to the Certificates tab in the Certificate Manager to view all of your issued certificates. 2. Download certificate files. Download the certificate and any necessary intermediate certificates. 3. Install on your server, depending on your web browser, example Apache, Nginx, IIS. Follow the server-specific instructions to install the certificate on your website or application. 1. View active certificates. In the certificates section, you'll find all your active certificates, along with their expiration dates and other details. 2. Set expiry alerts. Set up automated expiry notifications to remind you before certificates expire so you can renew them in time. 3. Renew certificates. If a certificate is about to expire, simply click Renew from the Certificates section to begin the renewal process. Follow the prompts to validate the domain again if required. 4. Revoke certificates. If you no longer need a certificate, you can revoke it by selecting the certificate and clicking Revoke. This will immediately invalidate the certificate. 1. Automate certificate management. Sectigo offers automation options to manage your certificate. You can configure auto-renewal for your certificates so they are renewed automatically before they expire. 2. Download API access. For businesses that need to integrate Sectigo's certificate management into their systems, you can access API documentation to automate certificate issuance and management. To conclude, using Sectigo Certificate Manager helps you easily manage your digital certificates for securing websites, email communications, and software applications. The platform offers a comprehensive set of tools for requesting, validating, installing, and renewing certificates, as well as monitoring their status for better security management. And that is all there is on how to use Sectigo Certificate Manager. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.